Today po sir, my topic for today is diabetes predictions. Diabetes prediction is chronic conditions that affect millions of worldwide, leading to serious health complications. These projects aim to develop a machine learning model capable of predicting the onset of diabetes based on various risk factors such as age, body mass index, and family history. Data exploring, processing, and understanding the dataset clerical for any machine's learning project. We explored the dataset and gain insights into the distribution's features, identify missing value, and handled outlier data, understanding data analysis and structure and characteristic of dataset, including the data type of features and their range and potential correlations. This state provide a clear picture of the data we are working with. Data cleaning, address missing value and inconsistencies in the dataset. This can involve imputation technique, removal relevant data, and data normalizations and standardizations. Data transform categorical feature into numerical technique or level encoding ensure that model can effectively learn from all features and feature engineering and sales and the features evaluations, demonstration, reductions, ceiling and demonstration tracking and feature environment. Feature engineering, feature generations, create new features based on existing one. For example, calculating ratios and interactions between various features, transforming, apply transformation of two features to improve their distributions are such log transformation or standardizations. Feature selection and identify most relevant feature of prediction class using technique like analysis and feature importance score in feature eliminations. And CatBoots classifier model. And the CatBoots classifier is a powerful credit boosting algorithm for robustness to calculating in its ability to handle category feature effectively and pattern boosting recognition technique and categorical feature handling and model parameter tuning, the cleared search, random search, dynamic optimizations, use probabilistic and hyperparametric leveraging previous evaluations, and randomly sample of parameter and satisfaction distributions, making it more efficient for large search space. And model evaluations and metric accuracy preparations, recall and F1 score, and interpreting model and sense future importance, partial dependence is plus